Well, I think it's about 1 o'clock. Paul had to run to Fort Myers to the rental car company. And I'm waiting around here. I'm on the boat. We're going to be here all day tomorrow. Nothing to do. We're waiting for the wind to calm down. And let me show you. We had to move the boat to go fuel up, which was kind of crazy. There was another boat tied to us. We was in between the two boats. We moved out, went and pulled up to get the fuel, got the fuel, and we come back. We had to tie off to another boat. So this is my view from my room. Put the troll up there to ride.